Traders, Zellman here. It's August 22nd, 2018. The market closed. I'm going to do a report on NNSR once again. So previously, I stated prior to news being broken, if you watch the tutorials, we spotted this trend. News came out, reverse merger, came back down. Well, reverse merger was complete. Came back down. Formed some type of resistance. Buyers broke the first support, then sellers tried to create another resistance. Buyer broke it again at around 6s. Battleground to 6.4 right here. Where was it? 6.4 right here. Already let traders know that she was heading higher. We already knew more news were coming, stated by Green Zebra. They stated that there will be more news coming, and they actually stated today, after they released their news today, with the contracts, with expected income and revenues, and future contracts that are still currently on the table. And so, from my understanding, there's more news coming out, more contracts will be signed. A lot of contracts are currently in the works, and as they're signed, according to Green Zebra's team, that will be released to their shareholders moving forward. Now, aside from that, on the technical standpoint, it still looks like she's going higher. It looks like she'll break these highs of 0.0097 and do something spectacular. Maybe she'll go to 2 cents, maybe higher. She could create resistance somewhere after a penny. We will have to reassess and reanalyze the stock as it moves forward. But currently she looks good. She looks like she's heading higher. This cup and handle, people call this somewhat of a cup and handle right here. A lot of traders love that. I see more of a reversal play. You see shoulder here, head here, shoulders being developed here. Then we have these resistance. So you see we have a higher, well, we have the highest resistance here at roughly, excuse me, this is actually higher right here than this one. So the resistance was broken here after Green Zebra took over nano sensors with the reverse merger complete. And right now, it looks like NNSR, Green Zebra, is going to have another bull run. So hang on, guys, because I'm excited as well, and I want to see what she's going to do. This could happen tomorrow. It could happen sometime next week, maybe 2 weeks from now. But the trend is up. It's bullish. If you guys are in this position, take advantage and enjoy this upside ride. If you want to take a course with me, do so by going to thetradingteacher.com. Review the live trading course section. And remember to follow me on Twitter at @TradingTeacher. If this tutorial is being helpful, please like it on the YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.